Let's build the greatest franchise football history. Alright, so we're starting off with Houston. We're gonna start off with Houston. Alright, I'm gonna knock out 2 games in this video. I ain't have enough time, I had to throw it. So, yo, he was getting out of there. Oh, I got sacked. Now I throw it to him right here. I'm gonna run this play. Absolutely cooked him right there. Alright. I'm gonna have to run it even though my quarterback a little slow. Alright, I had to run it because wasn't nobody open. We're close to it. We should be able to get this. Oh, that's pick. Dang. Wait. Hey, we cooking. I'm gonna go 1 point. Got my nose in the back. Yeah. Might be way better off start running the ball with the running back, because I might be all better getting more yards with that and getting more touchdowns. Because right now it's 7-0 in the first quarter. Making it. Oh yeah, I told you I might be better off with the quarterback. I have to start running with him more. Oh my gosh. He broke that tackle and then got in there. It's crazy. I'm going to go 1 point. Alright, so now I'm just going to simulate almost half of the game. Alright, so oh yeah, that's our game. Alright, we won this game. So we're in the division leaders, and the first one is New York, Kansas City, Baltimore, and Houston, which we are Houston. Wildcard, Las Vegas, Jacksonville, and Tennessee. In the hunt is Buffalo, Miami, and New England. So they are doing bad. I'm going to criticize player. I don't want to lose any of that. Saving up our wide receiver Joe Womack.
What you in here doing?
I'm telling. And he got he gonna go up. He thought I was doing something. Look at it. Yeah, you thought I was doing something ugly. Alright, hold up. Hey, man. Our running back. Alright, so our wide receiver will Mac. He's like barely happy. Alright. So we don't even got that many offense. But I'm living. He's one. His brain bitch pocket. He kicked off the switch. Said he checked the falling up on some conversation. Alright. Let's test his quarterback speed. Ooh. We out. Boy, he's fast. We're gonna have to start scrambling more with him. Offense moving faster. Ah, that's pick. Oh. I need to start dinking more on the first two plays. I need to start scrambling. Boy, if you don't get your little sassy tail out of here. He think he's tough. How did he catch that? I'm gonna go 2 point. Alright, so right now it's 8-3. We are winning. Alright. I'm back. I'm gonna have to scramble. I'm gonna scramble. Oh! Oh, bro. He's going, like, if we don't win a championship, it's crazy. Alright. So, I'm gonna scramble. How? I literally dove. Alright. Oh! I cut through the right pass. I cut through the right way. Alright, so I'm gonna go 1 point since we already got the lead. I'm gonna skip the second quarter and go into the third quarter. Because ain't no. Alright, so we're gonna win this game. 40-13. We kicker Nahum Parks has suffered an injury, so he'll be out for the 2 games that we're gonna play. Defend that player. Alright, so our running back has an upgrade, all our defensive linemen have an upgrade, and our linebacker has an upgrade. So I thought that was a defensive back. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and up his speed. Alright, my defensive lineman, we're going to go ahead and up his... He's a defensive lineman. Why did he... Guess we can up his stamina. My linebacker, they need his stamina first before they do anything. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and do another game. We go against Indianapolis. I'm going to change the ball to a cool looking ball. Alright, so we're going to pick our jersey. Alright. They scored a field goal? Alright. So he got 10 yards on that run. It's just rags in there.
Oh my gosh, I can't even get in the shower and wash my hair.
Cause I'm about to get in, so shut up.
Get all that out the dryer.
A dryer is going. Alright. It's incomplete, but Houston, they're punting it. Indianapolis, they don't have. The running back takes it. It's a short first down. Alright, so he got a first down. They're punting it. They run the ball. Houston hasn't. Alright, so we have it. Oh, they actually scored. We're getting whooped, bro. Bro, that's game. GG's, we got whooped. Dang. Dang. That's just going to put us in a wild card. So my player, he has to go up, bro. So our defensive linemen I'm surprised our defensive back they haven't had one. I'm gonna get his speed up. Aaron Parks was stopped by the police last night and found to be in possession of Bruh, you dumb prick! What? No, fine player. No, I don't care. You're not the Houston. No. Bro, bye, bro. You can't be doing that. We're cutting you. Now I'm about to go out and find a whole new kicker. We done lost 40-9, and now you freaking going now and have illegal substances on you? No. I'm gonna go ahead and find a new kicker. So yeah, we got a new kicker. Houston has signed 25-year-old kicker Tucker McGarry. Alright, so we should. If we lose the Los Angeles Rams, I'm crashing out, I swear. Oh, the reason why I like because I've been screen recording over 14 minutes. Oh, what a dime. What a dime. What a dime. Alright, so I'm going to scramble this play. If I can make it past. Dang, I almost not made it past the 1-yard line. I got popped. I got popped. I should have just kept going. Maybe I would have got more yards. I'm a field goal this. Can't my kicker kick for it? Nah, that's. Oh! I didn't expect that. We're going to simulate the first half. Alright. I'm going to play the whole second quarter. How did you catch that? Bro, oh, he stiff armed, then got out of there. I'm about to get my, my running back on. Come on, we out. We out. Touchdown. Touchdown. All right. Wait, did y'all see him? He just. Wait, so you just swipe? Oh, so that's how you. Oh, I finally found. Y'all, so if you want to like go head first, just go your screen and swipe up and then back. Now, if you're this high, you just swipe up that. But if you like the sound, I'm gonna just. Because I'm right-handed. If you're left-handed, you go. But if you're right-handed, you go. Yeah, bro, that's cool. I never knew that. Also, you will be able to see this little thing on my screen. That's where my hands are. It's cool. $14 yards, we'll take that. We'll take it. I'm going to go ahead and field goal this since we already is 20 to 0. Yeah, we're cooking. I'm going to go ahead and skip. And I'm going to skip that. That's all for today's vid. This is all I got to do. Peace out.